everybody, I am here to share with you guys how to get money for a free Christmas. Now a lot of you guys know with the apps that we use, especially with Ibotta, Checkout 51, Saving Star, and also Fetch Rewards. Those are apps that you guys, buy certain items, you guys get bonus points, and you guys can get money. But there are other things that you guys can do that you can just do sitting down and at your house to get free money. Now what I usually do is I go through a lot of websites trying to get gift cards and stuff, and I found a couple websites that I want to share with you guys that you guys should definitely join. I have referral links for 2 of them, and one just to join. But what happens is if you guys are ever bored and you're sitting at your house, you guys can actually get points for answering questions. Now this is a site that I use. This is Swagbucks. This is a site that I use to print coupons. What I actually do is I go to shop, and then I go to grocery coupons, and then these are what is on coupons.com. So you get 1 point or Swagbucks for every coupon that you print. And then if you guys use those at a grocery store, you do get, well, now it says you guys get 25 Swagbucks for every coupon redeemed. I don't know if it counts for Woodman's or not Woodman's, but Walgreens or CVS. I just know it's for grocery stores. So every coupon that you guys want to ever print, definitely print it on here. Get paid to print coupons. So there is that. There's also these surveys that you guys can answer. Now one thing I'm going to tell you is they give you bonus points if you download this site onto your browser. Do not do that. It could mess up. It could give you viruses. Don't download anything. There are some sites where it says if you download this you'll get points. Please don't download anything. I've done this in the past and I've made a few mistakes. So just giving you a heads up. Just because you get points, just don't download it. I'm trying to help you guys with that. But they have these surveys where if you guys take this survey, it says it's going to be a 21-minute survey. You guys will end up getting 36 Swagbucks, and they're giving you an additional bonus 7 Swagbucks. So that's I don't know, that's it's like 40 something cents. So every 100 Swagbucks is $1. So you guys definitely want to do that. So this is something that you guys can do to get a free Christmas. Just start doing surveys and start rallying up those points. Now, after you guys, have enough points, I have 6,000 points right now. That's cool. I have over $60 worth of money to get a gift card. So what happens is you guys can actually come here and you guys can buy gift cards. Actually no, I don't want to buy gift cards. I want to redeem my Swagbucks. So here that you guys can actually buy gift cards. You can buy a Visa $25 gift card for actually $2,175 of Swagbucks. So that's actually a pretty good coupon. I would definitely do that if you guys want to do that. Now what I do with these kind of gift cards or these kind of credit cards, like for the Dollar Tree, I'll end up going to I'll redeem one of these and I'll go to the Dollar Tree website and I'll actually buy a gift card with that $25 reward card. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up. If there's ways that you guys want to buy gift cards, you could also do the same way with CVS if you guys don't want to pay a lot of money out of pocket. So Swagbucks, definitely do it. Just answer some questions, explore the site, and you guys can get, free money just by answering questions. Now this, you guys can also have the app. I have the app. I'm not very active on the app, but it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. So I'm giving you guys a heads up on that. CrowdTap. Now I've already done a video for you guys talking to you about CrowdTap. CrowdTap is by far one of my favorite websites. I've made a previous video showing you guys about this. CrowdTap, all you do is just answer questions. So every question that you guys answer, you get points. Like this one, you get 20 points. This one, you get 3 points. This one, you get 6 points. And every 1,000 points you get, that is a $5 gift card. So you guys can get it a $5 Amazon card, Target, Walmart, whatever you guys want to do. One thing I do like about the Target and Walmart is you guys can get multiple gift cards, and with their app, the Target app and the Walmart app, you can actually add those gift cards to your account. So you can just keep adding money to your account, and then those apps just want your fingerprint so they know it's you. So this is a site that I've I've used multiple times. I've gotten several gift cards just by answering questions, and you get free money, and you also can get free stuff to try. So they'll send you some free stuff. You have to apply for it, but they'll send you free stuff to try. So if you guys are more interested in this site, definitely check out my top 4 websites to get free stuff. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up, but definitely check out CrowdTap. That is one of my favorite sites. It's legit. You don't have to download anything. You just share stuff on your social media and answer questions. So definitely do this if you guys are interested in a free Christmas. Then the last site that I have is My Points. Now, My Points is exactly like Swag Bucks. You guys get points for every coupon that you guys print. Same thing. You guys just go to coupons and then grocery coupons, and there you go. You get 1 point for every coupon printed. Now, what happens is I actually have 2 different browsers. I have one browser that has my information on with my phone number linked to coupons.com. And then I have a second browser. So my first browser is Google. My second browser is Firefox. I have both of those on my computer. Okay? So one of them has my phone number on them, and the other one has my husband's phone number on it. So that's how I'm able to print off twice as much coupons from coupons.com. But I'm just saying, you guys, My Points is exactly like Swag Bucks. You guys can print coupons, watch videos. You guys can get paid by watching videos. You get points. Now here they have a survey. It's going to take you 40 minutes to do, but you get 425 points. So I think that is a pretty good deal. They have tons of coupons or tons of deals. And then if you guys answer every 10 of these questions, you get 5 points. So it says, which devices do you use to play games? I mostly just use my cell phone, or yeah, I'm just going to answer that. And then it says, what relationship status are you in? I'm married. So once I answer 10 of these questions, it'll give me some points. So we got that. How many times have you shopped online? Like 11 times. I go online all the time. How often? I do several times a day. Just showing you guys this. I own an Android. And then, no. Well, we got ADHD. There we go. And then it says, no. So there's 2 more questions. I own a single family home. And then, do you consider yourself an early adapter? Sure. So there, I just got 5 points for answering questions. And you guys can just do this over and over and over again. And then what happens if you guys have enough points, you guys can end up getting some free stuff. So starting from 480 points, I can actually get an Amazon gift card. I can get a $3 Amazon gift card for 480 points, which is pretty good. So just giving you guys a heads up on freebies that you guys can do, you know, questions that you guys can do. If you're just sitting around, or if you just want to watch a movie, just pop your computer on or laptop and just start answering some questions while you're doing a movie. Like I said, this is something that I do every single year to get a free Christmas. Last year was the year I really put my mind to it. So besides Ibotta, check out 51, Saving Star, and Fetch Rewards. You guys definitely want to check out these websites. If you guys want to see me try to do more of these kind of videos, please let me know. I'm here to help you guys. I want to help you guys, you know, get some money, extra money, free money. Let's see if they have Target or Walmart. So I see Best Buy, they have JCPenney's, Kohl's, Old Navy. They do have PayPal, but I think you gotta link your PayPal information. Target, so you guys can get Target, you guys can get Swag, you guys can get Starbucks, and then they have Walmart. So you guys can definitely start getting free money. So 790 points is for $5. I think that's a pretty good deal. You just answer some questions. You know, try to get 100 points a day. If you guys can get 100 points a day, if you think about it, in 1 week, you guys will have enough for a $5 gift card. So if, you know, so every week you get $5, $5, $5, $5. You know, by the time it's Christmas time, it'll be super awesome to, you know, have some free money. I'm gonna probably keep up with this a little bit more and let you guys know my status on this. But yes, I just wanted to share with you guys, you know, some easy deals. I'm sorry I'm talking too much. I'm just here to help you guys. I hope you enjoy these videos, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.